Navigating through confusion, understanding, lost one's bearings. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, lost one's bearings. This phrase is a brilliant example of how English uses imagery from navigation to describe personal experiences. If you've ever felt disoriented or unsure of where you are in life, you might find this expression particularly relatable. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and look at some examples to help you incorporate it into your own English conversations. The phrase, lost one's bearings, originally comes from the world of navigation. Bearings are a way to determine direction based on fixed reference points. When someone has lost their bearings, it means they have lost their sense of direction. However, we often use this expression in a metaphorical sense to describe feeling confused, disoriented, or unsure about one's position or path in life. You can use lost one's bearings in both literal and figurative contexts. Literally, it might apply to someone who has lost their way in a new city. Figuratively, it's more commonly used to describe emotional or intellectual disorientation. Literal usage: after turning down several unfamiliar streets, I completely lost my bearings and had to use my phone's GPS. Figurative usage: after losing his job, he felt like he had lost his bearings, unsure of what to do next in his career. To help you better understand, let's look at a few examples. 1. When she moved to the new city, she felt like she had lost her bearings for a few months until she made some friends. 2. During the lecture, I completely lost my bearings and couldn't follow the professor's argument. 3. After the sudden death of his mentor, he lost his bearings and needed time to find his path again. If you're worried about using this phrase incorrectly, remember that it's all about context. It works best when describing situations of confusion or disorientation. Whether you're talking about navigating physical spaces or the more abstract journey through life, lost one's bearings can add depth to your storytelling. We hope this exploration of lost one's bearings has given you a clearer understanding of this expressive phrase. English is full of such vivid expressions that can help you convey complex emotions and situations. Don't be afraid to use them in your conversations or writings to make your English more colorful and precise. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.